Hippocrates quotes, "Life is short, the art long. All disease starts in the gut. Rest as soon as there is pain. Sport is a preserver of health. Walking is man's best medicine. The physician treats, but nature heals. Health is the greatest of human blessings. Everything in excess is opposed to nature. To do nothing is sometimes a good remedy. If you are not your own doctor, you are a fool. Cure sometimes, treat often, comfort always." Just as food causes chronic disease, it can be the most powerful cure. The greatest medicine of all is teaching people how not to need it. Anyone wishing to study medicine must master the art of massage. Where there is love of medicine, there is love of humankind. Make a habit of two things: to help, or at least to do no harm. To really know is science, to merely believe you know is ignorance. Our food should be our medicine, and our medicine should be our food. The way to health is to have an aromatic bath and a scented massage every day. Healing is a matter of time, but it is sometimes also a matter of opportunity. Foolish the doctor who despises the knowledge acquired by the ancients. Leave your drugs in the chemist's pot if you can heal the patient with food. A wise man ought to realize that health is his most valuable possession. A physician without a knowledge of astrology has no right to call himself a physician. Wine is an appropriate article for mankind, both for the healthy body and for the ailing man. It's far more important to know what person the disease has than what disease the person has. The natural healing force within each one of us is the greatest force in getting well. Each of the substances of a man's diet acts upon his body and changes it in some way, and upon these changes his whole life depends. We must turn to nature itself, to the observations of the body in health and in disease to learn the truth. The wise man should consider that health is the greatest of human blessings. Let food be your medicine. If we could give every individual the right amount of nourishment and exercise, not too little and not too much, we would have found the safest way to health. If someone wishes for good health, one must first ask oneself if he is ready to do away with the reasons for his illness. Only then is it possible to help him.